So if you have S oranges and you're going to put R oranges in each box, how many boxes would you need? If this isn't easy for you, quickly replace S and R with numbers. For example, if I had 20 oranges and I was going to put 4 oranges in each box, how many boxes would I need? Now that should be easier for you to figure out. 20 oranges, 4 oranges in each box, I would need 5 boxes. How did I get 5? I divided 20 by 4. Apply that back to the letters S and R and you'll realize you need a total of S over R boxes. Now if you've already filled up N boxes out of the total number of boxes that you needed, which was S over R, well then how many more boxes do you need? Again, if this isn't easy, just plug in a couple of numbers. Imagine that S over R, meaning the total number of boxes you needed, was 30. And then imagine that N, the boxes you've already filled, is 12. How many more boxes would you need? 18. How did I get 18? I subtracted 12 from 30. Apply that back to the letters and you get the correct answer, which is S over R minus N. If you found this video useful, go to quantreasoning.com for a lot more where that came from. You should also click that like button and let me know in the comments below what you'd like me to make future videos about. And of course, if you haven't yet subscribed, go ahead and do that and click that bell below so you get notified about future videos. See you next time.